Good day to you and welcome to another Paddocks Club video tutorial. Today I'd like to speak to you about the representation of participation quotas. Some schemes have participation quotas shown on the last page of their sectional plans as decimal fractions. Here you will see them with 3 decimal places and with all the PQs totaling 1. Other sectional plans show their participation quotas as percentages with 4 decimal places, and when you add them all together, totaling 100. Why is this, and what, if anything, should you do about it? Here's the full story. Under the Sectional Titles Act No. 66 of 1971, Section 24 provided that the participation quota of a section shall be a decimal fraction, correct to 3 places, arrived at by dividing the floor area correct to the nearest square metre of the section by the floor area correct to the nearest square metre of all the sections in the buildings. As you know, under the current Sectional Titles Act, Section 32(1) stipulates that the participation quota of a section shall be a percentage expressed to 4 decimal places, arrived at in the same way as I've just described under the old Act. So, for any scheme registered before the 1st of June 1988, i.e. that is under the old Act No. 66 of 1971, the total of the participation quotas shown on the last page of the sectional plan will be 1, with 3 decimal places, not 100% with 4 decimal places. The PQs for schemes registered after this date, that is under the current date, will always have the latter format. So are you obliged to update a scheme's participation quotas? No. But if you do so, it shouldn't make any difference to the calculations because the fraction won't lose integrity when it's converted to a percentage, which in fact has more decimal places. Insurers work only in percentages, being the modern requirement. So when you get your insurance schedules, they will almost certainly show the PQs as percentages. And modern management software such as Strataware also uses only percentages. If you register a new sectional plan for any purpose and the PQs change, for example, if you extend a section under Section 24 or add a further section under Section 25, the scheme will get a new PQ schedule, which will show percentages. If you wish to update or convert participation quotas taken from sectional plans of old Act schemes, convert the fraction to a percentage by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right and adding trailing zeros to represent the number as a percentage to 4 decimal places. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions, let's talk about them in the discussion forum.